I wouldn't do anything with Mr. and Mr. Friedrich sealing until you get a real plumber in there.
Good morning, Rescue Plumbing here. We just passed inspection. We're about to backfill. Then after that, we're gonna jet this line. We installed this cleanout here in Lincoln Park, Chicago. We're very happy, proud of ourselves. And we gotta backfill all this dirt. And then Jose's gonna put the pavers back. And then we're gonna hydro jet this line. Make sure that there's no grease and nothing in it. Because we encountered a little bit of grease with the camera. So we gotta get that grease out and make sure this line is squeaky clean before we give full control back to the customer.
Let's get down to business.